The Ingersoll Rand SS3L3 air compressor is designed to meet the needs of both DIY enthusiasts and professional users, offering versatility in various environments. With a robust 3-horsepower motor and a 60-gallon tank, this air compressor delivers consistent performance with a maximum pressure of 135 pounds per square inch. Its durable cast-iron construction ensures longevity, providing over 5,000 hours of trouble-free use, making it a reliable choice for demanding tasks. The compressor is equipped with an auto start and stop pressure switch for easy operation, alongside convenient maintenance features such as an oil sight gauge and easy-to-fill oil port. Safety is prioritized with features like manual thermal overload protection and a totally enclosed belt guard, ensuring continuous and secure operation. The use of synthetic lubricant enhances efficiency, offering 2,000 hours of service between changes, which significantly outlasts traditional petroleum-based options.